Hi there, Spanish Grammar Guy here on Focus 15 to help you with your Spanish grammar. And in this video today we'll learn about using verbs in Spanish equivalent to using the ing form or the gerund in English, like doing or saying. This is known as the present progressive or present continuous tense. And of course this tense describes actions that are currently happening. So the structure of this present continuous or present progressive tense is formed using the verb estar in the present tense, followed by the gerund form, the ing form in English, of the main verb. So the structure is the subject plus the conjugated verb estar and then the gerund. For example, María está hablando. Maria is talking. First, let's look at the conjugation of the verb estar in the present tense and review that, just so we remind ourselves what that is. Yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella o usted está, nosotros, nosotras estamos, vosotros, vosotras estáis, and finally, ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Okay, so that's the verb estar in the present tense. Now we have to form the gerund for the individual verbs in Spanish. For AR verbs, you replace the ending with ando, and for ER and IR verbs, replace the ending with yendo. So let's have a look at a few examples in sentences to see how this works, and we'll put the English translations on as well. For example, the verb hablar, estoy hablando, I am speaking. Comer, ella está comiendo, she is eating. Vivir, to live, nosotros estamos viviendo, we are living. So of course, the present progressive tense is used to describe actions that are in progress at the moment of speaking. That's why it's called present progressive or present continuous. Let's have a look at a few more examples. Ellos están escribiendo un libro. They are writing a book. A question here, ¿qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? Estamos estudiando para el examen. We are studying for the exam. Now, of course, as in most verbs, there are many irregular gerunds in Spanish, and these have to be learnt. So here's a few. For example, the verb leer, to read. Estoy leyendo, I am reading. Pedir, to ask for. Estás pidiendo, you are asking. Dormir, to sleep. Ellos están durmiendo, with a U, they are sleeping. Other irregulars would include the verb caer, to fall. Cayendo, with Y. Oír, to listen. Oyendo. Construir, to build. Construyendo. Ir, to go. Yendo. Servir, to serve. Sirviendo. Morir, to die. Muriendo. Decir, to say. Diciendo. Okay, so that's a very brief look at the use of the present progressive in Spanish. It's a great way to express actions that are happening right now. To know it, you have to practice conjugating the verb estar and then forming the gerunds as we've discussed. Okay, that's it for now. Please subscribe to Focus 15 with the Spanish Grammar Guy if you want more Spanish grammar tips. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego.